sir, आपको दो शब्द please.
Hi, good evening everyone, and it's a great pleasure and honor to be here. My name is Kamal Khimire, and basically I'm a hotelier. And I studied in King George Royal Indian Military School. I'm from Army School, but I didn't go to Army. That would be the sad part. And I joined hotel, and I was in the hotel for 40 years. After 40 years, I used to be acting when I was in school, military school. Then Achara Kida Kata, and from 40 years spending in hotel, I come to Indian film industry. I've acted in 5 Kannada movies. I've done 10 Bollywood films. I'm more famous for Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma as Iyer Boss, and बहुत सारे serials वगैरह मैंने किए हैं. So thank you very much, and that was about me.
So we see
Let's
you
talk
in
about the show also. So it's great honor and pleasure, Sanjay ji, for inviting me, and Devendra Khanna Sahab also, and I thank all the dignitaries on the stage. Everybody has come from some part of the world, America, Australia, England. Hola amigo, ¿qué pasa? ¿Todo bien? You speak Spanish, sir? Oh, hola, ¿qué pasa? ¿Todo bien? Tranquilo. I can speak Spanish because I worked for 12 years in the ships. So thank you very much. Great honor.
So we also see you on a daily basis in everybody's houses.
Yeah. You see me. I don't know. lot of things have done. Being 6 years I have been in the industry, but 2015 I started my career in the film industry from Kannada movies.
Oh wow.
So thank you very much.
So we are from Bangalore, we know you better.
So yeah, Bangalore, I was a general manager in the hotel. I was a GM of the hotel. Same time, what I'm trying to say is one should follow their passion. So here it is, life is short. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So here we go, we have Mr. Kamal. So this is our